Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. I'm KB Kwan, and today I'm going to cook a simple, quick and easy stir fry called chicken with cashew stir fry, a Thai-inspired recipe. It is quick and easy, and it is one of my favorite in my dinner rotation. So without further delays, I would like to show you how to do it in this video. Let's get started. Let's begin with the chicken. Cut the chicken into about 1 to 1.5 inches. You can use either chicken thigh or chicken breast meat. And then marinate the chicken with the following ingredients: light soy sauce, some ground pepper, some salt, combine some cornstarch to cook the chicken, some oil to seal the flavor inside, and then set aside for half an hour before use. While marinating the chicken, let's prepare some other ingredients that I need for this recipe. Over here I have some vegetables: capsicum, that's bell pepper, button mushrooms, onions, celery. You can use other vegetables, other combinations of vegetables than what I'm using. And the primary goal is to have different color, different shapes, different texture, and different color. Besides that, I have some green onions for garnishing and some minced garlics to stir fry. And last but not least, of course, some cashew nuts. Next, make a stir fry sauce. I'm using fish sauce in this recipe because this is a Thai-inspired recipe, but you can always substitute the fish sauce with light soy sauce if you wish. Also, I would like to add some oyster sauce, some sugar, and since I have some sugar, I want to balance it with some lime juice. And if you prefer it to be spicy, you can add some chili flakes or some Thai chili if you wish. And that's the composition of the stir fry sauce for this recipe. Now I'm going to fry the chicken separately from the vegetables. I find that it's better to do this way because chicken and vegetables require different duration to cook through. Remove the chicken when it is nicely brown. After cooking the chicken, let's stir fry the vegetables. Some minced garlic, when it turns aromatic, add the onions, followed by the celery, mushrooms, you may add a tiny bit of water if it's too dry. Then the bell pepper, add the stir fry sauce that we have prepared. Lastly, add the chicken to combine. add the cashew nuts. Combine and remove from the pan. More cashew nuts and garnish with some green onions. It's ready to go. That's how to make chicken stir fry with cashew, a Thai inspired recipe, and I hope you will love it and give it a try. And I have the recipe in the description below the video, and don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.